Good afternoon and welcome to Zizu Design Studio. My name is Sarah. Today we are going to learn something new. If you like our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Also, hit the bell icon so that you can never miss an update.
Today we will show you how we can vectorize a shirt design. Open Corel Draw X7. We have our shirt design here. It's blurred image. We will retrace it so that it can be printable. We will use Bezier tool for straight lines, and B-spline tool for rest of the tracing. We will use text tool for writing. Our vector is ready. It has to be exported as EPS file for vectorized tracing. EPS file can be used for vinyl fabric printing, sublimation printing, also for digital printing on shirts. Class is over now. I hope you have learned something new today. Do not forget to like, subscribe and spread the skill among your friends and family. Sharing is caring. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you in other class.